Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Wildflower Lacquer Cherry Smasher What's Up Nails B010. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat. And here's Wildflower Lacquer. And this is Cherry Smasher. I don't know why I'm having so much trouble talking today. I got this off of the Hella Handmade Creations site. I'm not sure if it's still available. This was a recent purchase for me, and I love this squishy red with all that going on in it. It's so pretty. And I know this is technically not like a summer polish, but y'all know how I roll. I do what I want when I want. So here we're going to go with the second coat of Cherry Smasher, and I couldn't wait to get this on my nails. I'm telling y'all, this one was just blowing me away. This was actually applied on my birthday. So it kind of fits the theme, that rubiness. I'm going to top it with the Moonshine Manny's Let's Go Top Coat, because I did wear this on its own for a day or two before I decided to, stamp on it. And I put a lot of thought into the stamping, but I'm just going to go ahead and tell you it didn't work out. I do not like how this ended up, so I was really glad I got to enjoy it just like that on its own. Here's What's Up Nails B010, and I'm going to use this like flamey drip with this Nicole Diary NS09 and Braves Diva Shutout, and my monocle stamper and my beauty scraper. And in my head, this worked out so much better, I'm telling you. And I'm glad I didn't do all the nails, because I'd have been just like, ugh. So I only did some accent nails with it. So I'm going in and stamping the white first, just to kind of make that yellow pop. And I'm going to do some offset double stamping. Got to clean that off on my lint roller real quick. And then that plate's going to get cleaned with pure acetone. And then we're going to go in with the yellow. I also wanted an excuse to use some of my other colors from Nicole Diary, because I really do like them. And I dragged too hard. I've got a bald patch, but I know I'm not going to need all of this image, so I wasn't too worried about it. It was down below where I was going to be stamping anyway. And this really isn't all that bad. I'm being, super hard on myself, but it's because it didn't turn out like I saw it in my head. I guess I really should have looked for more of like a for real flame image, and this is more of like a drip image. I don't know. You know how it goes, y'all. Sometimes it just don't work out. So I'm doing the same thing on that nail. I did it on my thumb, my middle, and my ring fingernail. And so I still had a couple of nails I could look at and really enjoy. And that just looks like mustard on that plate, doesn't it? Just, well. And this one needed to be lined up a little better, but I'm going to go in and use some of the excess just to kind of go over that end and fill it in a little better. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get this excess up off of my skin. And then we're going to hop in here with some smudge-free top coat from Maniology and seal that stamping in. And then I'm going to finish it all off with some Moonshine Manny Let's Go top coat. Now, this one really isn't that bad. I mean, I've definitely done worse. I didn't hate it. It's just I didn't love it. So, it's all good. But I would love to hear your thoughts on it. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Just, remember, I didn't really dig it, so. And here we go. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Here's my swatch photo. And like I said, leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.